Welcome to the Craft Test, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY video, we are going to repurpose an old candle jar, and using some supplies from the Dollar Tree, we're going to create a new Easter candle. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Facebook, where I post super quick and easy DIYs, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I post new videos every week. Now let's get on with today's project. So for this project, I'm going to take an old candle jar from Bath & Body Works. I love these jars. They're perfect for so many things to repurpose. And this season, the Dollar Tree has these adorable wooden bunnies. They come in a package of 12. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some pastel colored acrylic paints. I had all these paints. I have tons of paints. And I want to give them the look of the Peeps candy that comes out now for Easter. And we all know what the Peeps are. Some of us like Peeps, some don't. But that is the look that I'm trying to go for. So let's continue with painting the bunnies. So now the bunnies are all painted and dried. I even added a little bit of glitter to give it some sparkle. I just used regular glitter glue. It made it quick and fast. I wanted them to have a little sparkle and not be so dull. Now the next step is to use E6000 glue along with regular hot glue to attach them to the glass. The reason I use both glues is because the hot glue helps the E6000 hold while it is curing. So I'm going to put some E6000 straight in the middle of the bunnies, and I'm going to put some hot glue on the sides in order to attach them. So let's finish this part. So now all the bunnies are attached, and I love the way this looks so far. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take one of these pillar candles from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to make sure to melt that down. I'm going to use 3 separate candles because I want to give it different colors. So I'm going to take a pot, I'm going to put some water and heat up the water to a boil and just put the candle jar in it. And this process did take quite some time. It actually took me almost 45 minutes for this whole entire candle to melt. So this is the first candle. I had already poured the white. Then I also melted a pink candle, and I'm going to melt a blue candle. Now some of the colors did mix with each other, so I didn't get the full effect I was going for, but I do like the way that it turned out. This is the final product, and I think for a repurposing project, it turned out super cute. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.